All right, we're now into Chapter 5. Chapter 5 is all about factoring. I would say that Chapter 5 is probably the most important chapter we cover in this class because we're going to be doing factoring in almost every single problem for the rest of the semester, and then in tons of other chapters and other math classes that you're going to be taking. So factoring is really, really, really important. We're going to start off basic, where we're going to do just some greatest common factors. Maybe you've heard of it, GCF. And then we're going to learn other types of factoring techniques. Basic factoring, a technique I call bottoms up. We're going to do perfect squares and difference of squares. We're going to factor with sum and difference of cubes. And then we're going to be doing some problems where we're solving by factoring, and maybe even doing some application problems. Where would we ever see factoring in real life? You notice that I've also separated Chapter 5 into 2 different weeks. In week 1, we're going to focus on 5.1 through 5.4, making sure, again, you print off your Chapter 5 blank student notes. You follow the videos for 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, and 5.4 before taking your pretest. Make sure you do your homework with at least an 80%, and then retake your test 2 more times before the end of week 1, covering those sections. Week 2 in Chapter 5, then, will cover sections 5.5 through 5.8. Make sure that you watch the videos, you complete all your notes, and you take the pretest, complete your notes, or complete your homework, and then take your retakes by the end of the second week for Chapter 5, making sure you follow along the due dates on the calendar. Remember, the better you do on the pretest, the less work you have to do on your homework. You might even be able to test out of one of these weeks if you've already seen factoring before, which you might have. When you are done watching all of the videos and learning all of the topics, make sure that you submit your Chapter 5 completed notes underneath the Chapter 5 completed notes assignment. Again, making sure you follow the directions so you can get your full points on your completed notes. All right, hopefully you do really well on factoring, as we're going to see it for the rest of the time in here. Let me know if you need anything.